Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Kia ora.
Kia ora. Welcome to season 2 of
Rolling
Around
Around
Europe in Rolly.
We're back.
Yay!
Hello everybody. Hello friends and family from back home and anyone else who's watching. Buongiorno. We are at a lake just north of Rome. We've spent the last week taken off again from New Zealand, home in Wellington, New Zealand, and we've arrived in Rome about a week ago. And
after spending some time travelling to Matera and Alberobello, which was very nice, beautiful, beautiful places, we met up with Laura and Nathan in Pompei.
it's
Very
pretty cool
exciting to see them.
Yeah, very cool to meet up with family in such an
Very
exotic place.
excited.
We Laura and Nathan had Rolly for about a month, and they've been travelling around France and Germany and the Netherlands and the likes, and worked their way down to Pompei, and we met there, and they've now jumped on a plane back home, and we're taking our season 2 of Rolly.
It was nice to be back in the driver's seat.
It was great actually. It felt really good getting out of the rental car that we had for the first week and getting into Rolly, and felt like it's meant to be. So,
felt like home.
Yeah. So, thought we'd do a quick intro and then we'll do like normal. We'll do a video of our travel so far, and then we will catch up next week. We'll try and put out a video every week, just showing our travels, and that's probably about it for now, is it?
Yes, it is. So, enjoy the video.
See you next time.
See ya.
Going for a walk inside the Temple of Neptune now. Look at the size of these columns. It's a massive square column, and these huge beautiful today. It's about 29-30 degrees. It's our first day in Italy. Flew in this morning at about 9 o'clock. Jumped in the car, driven 3.5 hours. Look at the detail at the top of those pillars. If there's been some reconstruction. There. It's quite impressive, isn't it?
here we are on the original Matera, looking over to the Sassis on the other side.
The
so you've got the
villages that are dug into the hills.
old ones over here. You're further over that way, and these are the newer ones over here. So that's the old ones over there, and they're going to keep them original and maybe make them into a museum. And then as you scroll along, you can see the new ones that have been renovated, and they're making them into Airbnbs, tourist accommodation, and that. But very, very interesting. On this side of the ravine,
they've been, there's one there that's actually a church, but they've been living here since the Stone Age.
Yes.
Thousands of years. And about, I think the 12th century was it, they moved across the ravine to that side and started living over there.
Yeah.
And they lived in them continually through until
the 50s.
When the government decided that they were infested with the plague. They would live in there with the animals and had lots of disease, so the government moved them into apartment buildings, 1950s apartment buildings, which was not very pleasant, and they didn't want to move, but they were all forcibly moved out of them and were laid empty for a number of years until they've been turned into tourism.
So they were all out by the end of the 60s.
All owned by the government now, so no personal ownership of the buildings. Fascinating story, pretty ancient, and we'll show you some scenes from the Passion of Christ. This is the backdrop for the Passion of Christ movie, Mel Gibson's epic movie. wave.